Hey guys, what is up? A very good morning. Fabio here. Hope you guys are all doing fantastic and welcome to a new daily market outlook. So last night the algorithm took another profit trade. If you're interested in making use of it and seeing the verified MyFXbook results, make sure to check out the link in the description down below. And without further ado, let's just dive into this video and see what is going on. So of course the dollar index is still located within this consolidation range to our left over here. And yeah, as you guys can see, still expecting a pullback somewhere in the near future, just waiting for a bearish change of character on, let's say, the 4 hours. So today, expecting at least a push in towards here where there is some 4-hour demand, maybe see a reaction to it. But essentially, I'm just going to still be waiting until we start pushing in towards this area of demand over here. This could be kind of like the start of this potential channel, maybe a push down, one more push up, and then the real correction. Like I said, not trying to call the top, just going to be waiting for that pullback on the dollar index before really engaging with those dollar pairs. So yeah, essentially that is it from the dollar index. And let's head over to Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar. So Aussie dollar currently still located in this descending wedge in towards this low over here. Still would not be surprised if we do take out that swing low before jumping up. Kiwi dollar is a perfect example of that. We'll show that to you guys in a few minutes, but we still have daily demand located as well underneath that swing low, so I still would not be surprised if we do tap in towards there. Looking at the structure overall on the 4-hour, currently nearing this area of demand, or excuse me, supply over here, and we could see a reaction from that, which could initiate one more push back down before, let's say, seeing a reversal back up, because the highest probability of seeing a strong reversal will come from this area of daily demand. So yeah, that's Aussie dollar. Let's head over to euro dollar. And euro dollar is still located inside of that weekly range. Not a big fan at all of this pair still. Looking at the 4-hour for now, what can we spot? Well, this is going to be our area of supply for now over here, expecting a reaction from it, since yeah, each time we have just been continuing on our way down. So if we do move up higher, that is kind of like the area that you could look for shorts if you trade, for instance, the 15 or the 5-minute time frame. Overall, yeah, still located inside that weekly range, and I'm just going to be waiting until we see some kind of like a sustained pullback in towards a little bit of a higher level, because at the moment I'm just not a big fan of trading this. Let's say this over here is our impulse, and you would view this as a pullback, impulse, this is a pullback, then I would also view this as one impulse, and now just waiting for a pullback in towards, let's say, this area over here at least, before looking for further downside. But yeah, at the end of the day, we're still inside of that weekly range. I'll be looking out for the dollar index to see if I can kind of like spot a euro dollar potential reversal. But like I said, euro dollar is one of the more ugly pairs of them all since recently, so not really going to be trading it. Today is also Thanksgiving, so yeah, probably a slow market. So let's head over to pound dollar. And pound dollar currently retracing after pushing down lower as anticipated. Yeah, not much for today. Looking at what we can currently see, we had supply located over here, but for me supply is not fresh due to this wick anymore. So for me the main focus is just on this area over here and this area over here. So yeah, that's pound dollar. Let's head over to Kiwi dollar. And Kiwi dollar, so Kiwi dollar, this is what I kind of meant. We had a fake out on this swing low over here, but we can still move down lower in towards that area of daily demand over here, and that could initiate, let's say, the real swing up higher. That's kind of what I'm going to be anticipating on. Not going to be taking any longs from over here. If we do move in towards that area of daily demand, then I will be looking for those longs, just so you guys know. So yeah, let's head over to gold. And gold, yeah, so look at gold. Looking at gold, what we can see is that we're currently kind of forming what I mentioned yesterday, potentially this descending channel. So let's say we do see one more push down, then I'll be looking for those longs 100%. Looking at the daily overall, we are located inside of this area of daily demand. However, this daily demand is not fresh anymore due to this wick over here. However, I am anticipating on a potential move up higher from here. Preferably, I would still wait for one more push back down, as that would be the high probability long. So one more push down, and then look for those longs upon channel maturement. that is going to be the ideal trade for me. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen, but if it does happen, that is when I'll be looking for longs, currently located in supply over here nearly. So we could still move up just a little bit higher and then potentially see a sell-off on gold before looking for those buys once again. So yeah, that's gold for you guys, and thank you for tuning in. So if you have any questions whatsoever trading related, make sure to join the free Discord server, link in the description down below. Wish you all a fantastic day, and thank you for watching once again. Thanks guys.